Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details here, and I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite retail products on fixing foggy headlights. Now, this is not necessarily a method that I would recommend, that if they are like completely delaminated, the clear coat is completely baked off, and you're needing to do a wet sanding or like even a heavy polish, that I would probably recommend McKee's 37, their headlight restorer. But for any of you who have light yellowing like this, and you can just see my customer came in and she's like, if there's anything you can do just to kind of enhance them, make them look better, you know, go ahead. I'm not charging her for this. This is just kind of like a complimentary. She's a new customer. I want to see what I can do to retain her. But I want to share with you guys this product. I'm going to go ahead and actually use it on the headlight, and then I will share with you what the product is at the end. This is a retail product that you can purchase. I have my GG6 here with my purple LC wool pad. I'm going to start it at speed 3 to spread it out and then knock it up to about speed 5.5, and we'll see what kind of results we can get using a retail product. So let's go ahead and punch this out. Bam! And just like that, we have removed the yellow from these headlights. Give me 1 second to grab a rag and just wipe off the residue. Alright, I'm back. And let's just wipe off. There really wasn't any, but we're going to go ahead and wipe off that residue. And now, here's the product that I am talking about, Meguiar's Plastics. This is a fantastic product. You can pick it up at Walmart, Advanced Auto, any really retail store where car supplies are sold. It is a fantastic product. You can use it for Jeep soft top windows. You can use it for headlights for a quick polish and restoration, or for a maintenance product. You can use it by hand. But what I like to do once I'm done polishing, because the reason they're yellowing is the headlights are starting to lose their UV protectant. And because I'm not necessarily ceramic coating this, I'm not charging the customer, I just want to make sure that I put some sort of protectant back on. I'm going to actually take this product right here, Blue Magic Headlight Lens Sealer, and we're just going to apply this over top just to apply a nice layer of UV protectant to try to slow down some of that yellowing and fading that's occurring, because this is almost a 20-year-old vehicle, so the fact that the headlights are just now starting to do that is actually pretty impressive. So instructions say, you know, apply this, rub evenly, and let it dry thoroughly. You really don't have to come in and level. That will dry to a nice clear finish, and it's not like a ceramic coating where it's gonna, you know, be fading or cracking. And we're done. So in under, this is a 3.5 minute video, and I probably spent a minute talking. I was able to do a very quick polish, remove the yellowing, clear my customer's headlights, and protect it. Doing this for free, you could probably charge anywhere from $15 to $30 for the pair of headlights just for a quick polish. So even if you're a weekend warrior and your headlights are starting to fog up and you're wanting a retail product to do a quick enhancement, you guys got to check this stuff out. It's fantastic. And I'll put the link down below in the comment section, but I hope you guys enjoy that quick product tip. And be sure to subscribe to stay tuned for any products and tips and reviews that we have coming out. And we will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks.